But they know, see, the same reservation which had come up when Karnataka government wanted to get. Then what has happened after that? They had to withdraw it. See, these same reservation actually had been, they tried to implement in Haryana. Haryana High Court struck that, and that now they have, Haryana has gone to the Supreme Court. And Haryana High Court clearly mentioned that it is unconstitutional to have a reservation in the private sector.
This subject belongs to only center government?
Sorry?
This subject
No. You cannot have basically a reservation to particularly to a state. See, our people from here go and work in Maharashtra, Karnataka. They work so many other places now. So you cannot basically restrict people saying that, okay, these companies, they see that 80% of certain reservation has been given. That is the reason what happened. As far as our industries department had come, they had come with a scheme. Scheme saying that if that we are ready to pay 50% of the salary to the workers if you take Goans. 60% of the salary and 60% should be Goans. And then there was certain scheme benefit they were giving. There were only 4 companies basically who availed of the benefit. No one else came forward to avail of the benefit.
Okay, in future any proposal there?
No, there cannot be any proposal unless the Supreme Court basically gives an order on this. That order stands of Haryana High Court.
So put a fine ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
The fine is what happened. Fine is as far as this thing is concerned. Vacancies are concerned where they start advertising elsewhere. The fine earlier was just 500. So 500 becomes just nominal. So these companies, it is very this thing for these companies to just pay this 500. Now we have started from 10,000, 1 lakh, and plus an imprisonment also. The amendment will be coming in this session.